Welcome to Chapter 10 of the Wisconsin Journey, Government for All of Us. When you have time, please take a look at people to know, places to locate, and words to understand. Lesson 1, Government in the United States. People to know, places to locate, words to understand. Caption: James Madison, George Washington, and other men met to write the Constitution, Government for the Nation. On July 4, 1776, the American colonies declared their independence from England. They set up a new nation called the United States of America. They wanted their country to be a republic. This means there could be no kings or queens. The people would elect leaders to make laws. The people fought a war with England. Finally, after many years of war, America was a free country. The first national government of the United States joined the states into a league of friendship. The states kept most of their power. They could write state constitutions and raise taxes. The national government could not tax the people. What do you think? Can you imagine living in a country where every state made all their laws? It would be like 50 separate countries. New problems. Soon the young nation had many problems. The country had large debts. Nations like England and Spain did not want America to grow westward. The American Indians did not want American pioneers to take over their land. The states argued about borders and trade with the other states. The new national government was too weak to solve any of these problems. Caption: The paper on which the Constitution is written has yellowed and faded, but the words are still the basis of our government today. James Madison, George Washington, Alexander Hamilton, and other men gathered in Philadelphia to write the Constitution. They hoped to create a stronger country that could last forever. General George Washington had led America during the American Revolution. He said that the national government should be powerful enough to solve the nation's problems, but that most of the power should stay with the states. The men had a hard job to do. They ordered that all the horses outside wear socks to keep down the noise in the cobblestone rock street. They also voted to keep what they wrote a secret until they were finished. A new Constitution. James Madison is called the father of the Constitution. He wrote many of the ideas for the government plan. The new Constitution said that we would have a federal government system. This means that we would have both national and state governments. Each state would have its own government, and there would also be one national government for all of the states. Our national government is made up of 3 branches. Look at what each branch does. Legislative branch. This branch makes the laws. It is the United States Congress. It is made up of the Senate and the House of Representatives. Executive branch. This branch carries out the laws. The President of the United States is the head of this branch. Judicial branch. This branch says what the laws mean. It is the Supreme Court and all of the lower courts. The Bill of Rights. Most of the men liked the new Constitution, but others worried that the government might try to take away important rights like freedom to say what they thought and the freedom to belong to any religion. The authors of the Constitution said that these rights had been given to them by their Creator. 10 amendments were added to the Constitution. These changes to the Constitution were called the Bill of Rights.